Hey guys, I'm Gautam Batra and today I'm very excited to talk about an all-new category under the Redmi portfolio, presenting the all-new Redmi Power Bank. The Redmi Power Bank is available in two variants, the 10,000 mAh and the 20,000 mAh. Talking about the design, Redmi Power Bank comes with an anti-slip edge grip design which is engineered to give it a stylish and sleek look while maintaining the practicality. If you look closer, you'll see these grooves on the edge of the Redmi Power Bank which makes it super easy to grip, and you can flaunt them in two different colors, the gorgeous black and the elegant white. With the Redmi Power Bank, you need not carry two cables as it comes with support for dual input, which means you can use a micro USB cable or a Type-C cable to charge this power bank. In addition, the Redmi Power Bank comes with dual USB output, which means you can charge two devices simultaneously on the go. Talking about charging speed, the 10,000 mAh power bank comes with a support for up to 10 watt fast charge, and the 20,000 mAh power bank comes with support for up to 18 watt fast charge. Another cool thing is you need not wait too long for your Redmi power bank to get fully charged, as both of them support two-way fast charging, which means your power bank can charge and get charged at the same wattage supported by your power bank. The Redmi power bank comes with a smart low power mode. Just press the power button twice and it intelligently customizes voltage, which means you can use it to safely charge your small devices like Bluetooth headphones, fitness band, or even a smartwatch. Coming to the durability aspect, Redmi Power Bank comes with a lithium polymer battery and an advanced 12-layer circuit chip protection. So let's not wait and get to the moment that we are all here for. With the convenience and features, what should be the honest price of the Redmi Power Bank? So the honest price for Redmi Power Bank 10,000 mAh is only Rs 799. And for the Redmi Power Bank 20,000 mAh, the honest price is Rs 1,499. Amazing, right? The all-new Redmi Power Banks will be available starting next week, 18th of Feb on me.com and Mi Home stores.